How to remove Shadowban on Reddit account? Here is how. First, open the Reddit app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, click on the settings at the bottom of the menu. Keep scrolling all the way down until you see the report and issue option. Tap on it to proceed. Once the page opens, scroll down and select submit a request. From here, select account help. In the provided form, enter your email address accurately so Reddit can contact you regarding your request. Under the what type of account issue are you experiencing, choose account status from the list. Now choose my account has been wrongly suspended. In the section labeled Reddit username, type in your Reddit username exactly as it appears. When asked if you can log in, select yes, I can log in. Under the subject of inquiry, type Shadowban issue. Now scroll down to the description box. Here explain your situation in detail. Mention when and how you noticed the Shadowban, what action you believe may have triggered it, and politely request a review. If you have a screenshot or additional information, upload them to provide supporting evidence. Finally, hit submit to send your request to the Reddit support. Once you have submitted the report, the Reddit support team will review your request and respond with guidance on resolving the Shadowban. That's it. I hope this video helped.